مرحبا بكم يا أصدقائي. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to conjugate verbs in Form 7. However, before we get started, if you enjoy these videos and you would like to see more Arabic videos, then please hit subscribe now, as it really helps the channel grow. شكرا جزيلا لنبدأ. So, Form 7 verbs are always intransitive, and they are often passive versions of Form 1 verbs. So, for example, فتح is to open, in fataha is to be opened. So notice that we're forming Form 7 by adding in at the start. قطع, to cut, in قطع, to be cut off. So these are a couple of examples. However, there are some verbs in Form 7 which are not passive versions of Form 1. For example, in صرف is to go away, or in زلق is to slip or to slide. So just bear that in mind that there are other meanings of Form 7 verbs. Let's see the past conjugation of Form 7 verbs. So to conjugate Form 7 verbs in the past, it's the same as conjugating verbs in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. So we have insarrafa, which is to go away, and we just add the past suffixes on. So for example, I went away, أنا انصرفت. You went away, أنت انصرفت. أنت انصرفتي, etc. etc. So check out my video on how to conjugate verbs in the past. I'll attach the link in the description, as is the same as all other forms. Couple example sentences. انصرف المحتال عندما لحظ الشرطة. The crook went away when he noticed the police. عندما انفتح الباب رأيت داخل المنزل. When the door was opened, I saw inside the house. انقضى عام منذ وصولي إلى البحرين. A year has passed since he arrived in Bahrain. Okay, let's see the present conjugation. It's slightly different now. So, أنا أنصرف, أنت تنصرف, أنت تنصرفين. Pause this, grab a pen and paper, and write this out until you memorize this, as you must learn how to conjugate verbs in Form 7 in the present tense. Okay, let's continue. رفض الزبون أن ينصرف بعد أن يشكو من الخدمة. The customer refused to go away after he complained about the service. لا يود المدير أن ينفتح الباب. The manager does not want the door to be opened. ينطبق القانون على كل مواطن. The law applies to every citizen. Now, the masdar, the verbal noun. How do we form the masdar? So, if the verb inzallaqa is to slide, then the masdar is inzilaq. So you add an alif in between the second and the third root letter. And that gives the verbal noun sliding. Insarrafa is to go away. So insiraf here with the alif in between the second and the third root letter. This gives the verbal noun going away or departure. Infatha is to be opened. Infitah gives the meaning of openness. I don't know, openness towards something. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comment section. شكرا جزيلا وإلى اللقاء.